Is this thing on? Is this thing on? Hey, Maskateers. It's me, the Mass Mukbang Man. Welcome to another Mukbang. Back at you. What are we going to do today? Well, I was passing by Checkers. I've been wanting to check out this sandwich that they call the Mother Cruncher. The Mother Cruncher. So today we're going to try the Mother Cruncher. I'm probably going to eat two of these things because one just doesn't seem to be enough. One sandwich. Let's see what happens. I'm ready to get into this. Let's have prayer and then let's do this. Let's talk about this. I got a vanilla shake. A vanilla shake. I can taste it already. Okay, let's get going. Voice, please. 1 Kings chapter 19, verse 5 through 8. And as he lay and slept under a juniper tree, behold, then an angel touched him and said unto him, Arise and eat. And he looked, and behold, there was a cake baking on the coals, and a cruse of water at his head. And he did eat and drink, and laid him down again. And the angel of the Lord came again the second time, and touched him, and said, Arise and eat, because the journey is too great for thee. And he arose and did eat and drink, and went in the strength of that meat 40 days and 40 nights unto Horeb, the mount of God. Okay, let's do it. I'm ready. Let me open up. Let's get rid of all of these wrappers and everything, and then let's get into this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we go. So I noticed they didn't give me any kind of sauces. And I specifically asked them before I left, did you give me ketchup? And they said yes. No, you didn't give me ketchup. Luckily, we have ketchup. So I'm ready to get going here and start eating this Mother Cruncher. Let's take a look inside. Let's see what's in there. Let's get a good look if we can. I see pickles. I see tomato. Can you see in there? Trying to. All right, let me get a bite in, and then maybe we can see inside a little bit better. Can you see in there? Looks pretty good. All right, let's see what it tastes like. Mm. 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 Wow. Pretty good. So, I was watching Dame Drops, Daym Drops. He does reviews, pretty good. He really enjoyed it. So I said, let me go out and get one and see what it tastes like. This thing is the bomb. Let me get some more. Mm. Mm. Look in there. Mm. The Mother Cruncher. You know what? I cannot leave a vanilla shake sitting like that. No way. Let's get into that. Mm. It's not going to last at all. Mm. The Mother Cruncher. Something in, I don't know, the sauce that they use, something in there is just kicking real good. I don't know if it's the sauce they put in there, but this Mother Cruncher is no joke. She not playing. Mm. They put together a real good sandwich. I can't stop eating. Let's get back to the shake. Wow. You know what? I'm glad I bought 2 sandwiches. I'm definitely going to have room for that other one. We haven't even started with the fries. All right, get some fries in there. Let me get them out the box. Grab a couple of those. What do you think about the fries from Checkers? You think they're the best? They say they're the best. Pretty good. Let me know what you think about Checkers or Rallies. They got different names now. I know them as Checkers. What do you think about their fries? I almost feel like I'm doing a challenge, like I can't talk. But this time is because this is just so good. Wow. But let's talk. If you've ever seen the Ellen DeGeneres show, I've seen it often. There's been some talk, I would say the past couple of months, about the work environment of the Ellen DeGeneres show being toxic. People have come out and said that it's a toxic work environment, which is pretty harsh. It's pretty harsh words to use. Since then, Ellen has made a few public statements that, it's not true. So now she's back doing her show, and she made another statement in the show that she doesn't support any of whatever has been going on on the set or behind the scenes on the set, and that she's addressing the issues. She's absolutely not tolerating that type of behavior over there, basically, which is good. It's her show. She is responsible, and it's good to see her stand up and stand out. and take responsibility. That's part of being a leader. That's leadership. When you have good, you celebrate the good times. You pat, your colleagues and those others, whoever are to be accredited, on the back, and you let them know, hey, that was some good stuff. And then on the other side of that, if things are not going good, you take responsibility for that and you own it as well. So that was a good thing. I believe that, we are all leaders, or we will be leaders, those of us who are not. Excuse me, because if you're not leading a group at work, you may be leading your family at home. That's still leadership. That's still responsibility, So let me know what you think. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section about leadership, family leadership, work leadership, and who owns that responsibility? Who should own up to it? Do you agree that she should take that responsibility? And now that may mean taking action with someone, or a group of people on the set. I don't know. But whatever it is, it's her responsibility. So she stepped up to that, and I commend her for that. I don't know what else has been going on there, but at least she stepped up to that, as far as I can see. Could it have been done sooner? Of course. But I'm not going to dwell on that. As a matter of fact, I'm going to get to this other mother cruncher right here. Check that out. The sauce is inside. Let me go get some. Oh, I wish you could bite that. Bite into that. It's a whole lot of goodness in there. The mother cruncher. On a scale of 1 to 10 for a chicken sandwich, I'm going to give these guys a 9. But I'm going to go back there and I'm going to talk about, the ketchup. Just playing. But they're not going to miss my ketchup next time. Don't tell me you did something and you didn't do it. That wasn't cool. But the sandwich makes up for it. Now, it's funny. I can sit here and tell you, oh, these are not the best fries. But I can't tell you who makes the best fries. These are pretty good though because they're not plain. Now McDonald's, they got spices in these. McDonald's doesn't have too many spices in theirs, but they're good. They fry them good. The texture is good. Texture here is also good, but it's softer. It's not as crunchy. Not the best, but good. A little bit of a Cajun taste. Everybody doesn't go for that, but it's not overpowering. I forgot that Checkers can serve up a good meal. I know during the summertime, before COVID, they were making these summer drinks, these slushies type of drinks, and I was tearing those things up. They still have some of them, but I don't see the ones that I was really enjoying. So anyway, I just took the vanilla shake because I'm always good with a vanilla shake. Take another look at that cruncher. Take another look at that mother cruncher. That is some good stuff. You guys gotta put this on the list for sure. The mother cruncher. Ooh. Well, now I won't be wondering how it tastes. Now I know this thing is good. It's coming apart. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. I think at this point right here, I'm pretty good. I could stop and I'm pretty satisfied. However, because this thing tastes so good, I keep going. Damn. They didn't get sloppy with the sauce. And maybe if they did, it would have been better, even better. But whatever sauce is in there is good. Mm. Mm. Getting full. Bread basket's getting full. Mm. Shake is melted just right where you want it to be. It's not hot. And it's not like frost. So you get the straw in the just right spot. It goes down good. Oh, wow. Definitely going to finish this. Last piece, guys. I'll toss it in. 3, 2, 1. I managed to get 2 of them down. Now, I'm not going to finish those fries. You know who gets the fries? The birds. I'm going to take that out and give that to the birds. Just got to get your straw in the right place. Comes up nice and smooth, goes down nice and smooth. Got to get the right place though. Sweet spot, no pun intended. I really like the vanilla shakes. McDonald's, as far as best, McDonald's for me. I think that's where I've tasted the best vanilla shake. Other than the ice cream truck, Mr. Softy, they have the secret recipe for ice cream, for ice milkshakes, and all the rest of that stuff. So that was dynamite. And this, I can't stop. Okay, guys, let's get our verse of the day. It's getting close to that time. Can I have another sip? I haven't had ice cream for a while. One more. I took a deep inhale to get all of that good stuff in. All right, let's do verse of the day. From 2 Corinthians chapter 13, verse 14. Voice, please give it to us. The grace of the Lord Jesus Christ and love of God and the communion of the Holy Ghost be with you all. And on that note, I'm going to end the mukbang, guys. I think that's just the perfect topping to top off the mukbang. Don't forget to like, comment, share the video, And just in case you haven't already, subscribe. Please click that notification bell so that you get notified as soon as that video hits the presses. It's been fantastic. Love being with you guys. Love having you. I'm just, you're just getting me so hyped up, to do these mukbangs, to do more and more of them. Guys, until the next mukbang, take care of yourselves. Be safe. Wear your mask. Monitor social distancing. Gotta have you back here in one piece, nice and safe. All right? See you next time. See you on the next one. The Mother Cruncher was good. Bye, guys.